You depend on your car to get from point A to point B. But did you know that you're carrying uninvited passengers? Unseen air contaminants are everywhere, and these particles may have up to 6 times greater concentration inside your car than outside. They're getting sucked into your car every moment. It's even worse in traffic. But don't worry. Our genuine Toyota premium cabin air filters help trap pesky particles and keep them there. They also help your air conditioner and heater run more efficiently. Plus, they have a layer of embedded active charcoal, helping to neutralize odor in your car. So visit your local Toyota service center today and enjoy a fresher breath of air.